Well, guys, after about well, the Suburban was sitting for about easily over. See, it's February, March, April. The Suburban was sitting. So the Ram's been sitting since April, and it's August, and we have a battery pack on it because, well, this battery on this old truck doesn't want to hold at all, which has got to get replaced. But we got a battery pack on it. We've been letting it run for about an hour. We're gonna go inside and hopefully he'll start over. 2001 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Laramie, running it's a 5.9 liter Magnum V8. It's got dual exhaust stacks for anybody who is new to the channel that are running off of glass backs from Cherry Bomb. Back in the day, Cherry Bomb, a real Cherry Bomb. It's got an air intake system from Volant, and it's hooked up. That's how I got the window down, so I know it's connected. What else do we got? Well, we got dual step running boards that are something that are dual step stepping boards. Oh hell! Oh yeah, good old bitch. Yep. Got Boss audio in it. Boss. We got air horns on top, obviously. So we're gonna. Why am I sitting so damn close? Oh yeah, I can't go back any further. So I'm gonna put our foot on the brake. So we're sitting at 222,953 miles on a gas motor. That's a good sign. All the lights went out. So next thing we'll do is going to turn on the compression tank, the air tank, which is in the back, which is that. Down here is a toggle switch. I'm going to flip that up. You guys are going to see that very shortly. I'm going to crawl out of my truck and die on the way down. This truck burns oil too. Not too as saying it's other vehicles that burn oil, but this does actually do burn oil. So I'm going to get rid of the jumper, and then I'm going to pull it out. By that time the air tank should fill up so you guys can hear the tugboat horn if you're new to the channel. So I'm going to stick you over here somewhere. I'm going to stick you in a spot where you'll be scared to run my phone over. I always love doing that and stuff just because I love doing it. So I'm going to get rid of some of these weeds down here. I'm going to do that. That, you guys can see the truck. Hope you don't fall over. Okay. Ooh, it's hitting the screen. That's bad when it hits the screen, because if it hits the screen it ends the fucking video. I don't want to do that. No, we don't. Stay. Alright. Stay. Well, the ram has been unleashed from its cage, and it just fits between them. Thank God. Inside it's a little nerve-wracking. Got a big ass push bar on it that can do a lot of damage. A little bit of miles put on it. This big ass bar can do a lot of damage to everybody around it.